Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Maridadi knot. That's the Swahili word for stylish. I think it's appropriate. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're just going to come over here. We're just going to put in the dimple. And we're going to bring it over the top here like this. We're going to come down and around. And we're going to come down like this. I'm going to fold this in half. And we're going to come up and over like that. Still going to be folded in half. I'm going to open up this bottom part. And then I'm going to, this will be folded in half. This needs to remain folded in half. And we'll do that move right there. We're going to leave it folded in half. We're going to come over here and we're going to come down and around like this. And then we're going to come back underneath, fold it in half, and come up and over. Stays folded in half. We're going to open up the bottom loop that we just had. Keep this folded. And then we're going to come underneath it like this. Fold it in half, come back around like this, and we're going to come up and over like this. So there you have that. Again, you want to see the picture of this? Go to Stylish Leadership. Not Stylish Leadership. Well, go to Stylish Leadership. Go to Simmons Essentials on Instagram to see this picture, and go to Stylish Leadership to see my other Instagram channel also. So here you have it. The Maridadi, the Swahili word for stylish. There we go. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. Stay stylish. See you in the next video.